Hi there, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a Gmail account for business. Just like we have WhatsApp business, we have Facebook page, we also have Gmail for business. This Gmail for business is a little bit advanced. As a matter of fact, it's a paid service. So sometimes if you have been using a free mail and you discover that you forgot your password, you will notice that you find it very difficult to remember, to recover it, especially if you don't have those things. But if you are using a paid service, for instance, and you forget your password, you can easily call customer service. They give you, this is a premium service, they give you much attention, better than using a free service. So, and there are other things that are involved. We have different options here, but what we are looking for is for work. This one, Gmail for work, that is the one we are going to use for business. So you simply click on it. You can take out your time, look at all the features available. The features, there are a lot of features in this particular Gmail, but we are going to delve in right away. So you scroll up and click get started. You click get started, it will load your business name. Since this is a business email, simply type in your business name. Then you have to type the number of people that are going to be using it. So it depends on the organization you are working for or how many people are working under you. So you check out on the option, just you, 2 to 9, 10 to 99, 100 to 299, 300 and above. So you just pick anyone. Then your region. So since I'm recording from Nigeria, I'll just pick Nigeria and I'll click next. So next thing is your contact info and your first name, your surname, and current email, the email we are using currently. Might be your personal email. Just enter it there and click next. Now, does your business have a domain? What does it mean? Simply means do you have an email? Do you have a website? If you have a website, you say yes. If you do not have, you say no. But we're going to click yes because we have a website. So simply click yes. So I'll type my email here and click next. I'll say okay. Then I'll enter my email. Now this place is how will you sign in? How do you want to be signing in? This is where you determine how your email will display. Do you want your email to display as info at so.com at your website.com, or admin at so.com, or recruitment at so.com, or customer care at so.com? This is where you determine all that. Or there are some companies, some email, they customize it, they put their staff's email name, like Kunle at thatplace.com, Hope at thatplace.com, Deji at thatplace.com, Okon at thatplace.com, Emeka at so.com. So this is where you decide that. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use info at thatplace.com.ng. That is our email. Now you pick the password. So I'm going to display the password so that you see the format. Remember, you must use a capital letter and a special character and numbers. You have to combine it. complete the captcha and click next or submit. Next, allow it to load. So it has logged out and say I should log in, so I'm going to log in again. So I'll put the email the way I typed down, put the password, enter the email and the password. And click next. Now it's asking me for some things. I'll just fill in these things. Click next. To send me a code, I'll enter the code and click next. I'll accept. It is loading. I'll wait for it to load. When it loads, you have to enter your card details, your ATM card or credit card, whatever you call it. This is where you enter it, because this is a paid account, so you have to pay. Now what you do is you choose your currency. Are you paying in euro or dollars? You choose and you click next. So you review and check out. This is where you update your details, your address, your name, your payment details. This is where you enter your card details. So I'll simply enter my details here. Enter the address, enter the code, enter the country, the card details, and click next. When you are done, continue to set up. So that's it basically. When you are finished, enter your card details. That's the last stage. So you click continue to set up. So that is how to set up a business Gmail account. You can review this tutorial again, go through it again. If you have any question, drop it for me on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Always remember to subscribe, like and share.